If you're in the market for plastic razor blades, this is definitely an alternative to the metal blades that you can buy from us at Flexfilm. These blades will fit in the same holding retractable scrapers and extended scrapers that we offer, little bitty scrapers, as the other blades will. These blades are going to be used in place of the metal blades when you want to remove adhesive from sensitive glass, or maybe there's defroster lines you want to get glue out from around them, or old film or stickers, and you don't want to damage the glass, or you don't want to scratch or damage the defroster lines. But usually you can use these in conjunction with chemicals or maybe a little bit of heat. Where the metal blade's just going to do damage, the plastic will give you that extra scraping power that you need without being too harsh or abrasive or damaging. These are the plastic blades. This is the newer brand that we carry called Scrape Right, and this is the older brand that we've always carried. These are just the regular plastic blades. I don't see much difference between the two. Maybe you could buy both of these and use them for yourself, and maybe decide which one would be your favorite.